Do you want to earn money and get rich without any work? You have clicked on the right video if your answer is yes. Today we will be telling you the 13 best passive income streams that will make you a millionaire very quickly. These passive income ideas are used by millionaires, so watch the video till the end if you want to be one of the millionaires. Now let's start. 1. Leasing your vehicle out. Do you want some extra cash? If so, you may want to consider renting out a vehicle you own but seldom use. Car sharing may be a great source of passive income for a number of reasons. It's a quick and easy approach to boost your income with no effort. Once you've listed your vehicle on a reliable car sharing service, you won't have any more responsibilities. 2. Make use of REITs, real estate investment trusts. Companies known as real estate investment trusts, REITs, provide investors with access to the commercial real estate market by owning a portion of income-producing assets including apartment complexes, retail malls, and office buildings. Investment in a real estate investment trust, REIT, allows you to get a portion of the rental revenue produced by these assets. The potential to receive passive income from commercial real estate without the hassles of being a landlord is one of the main attractions of real estate investment trusts. Gaining financial advantages from property ownership is possible even if you don't want to deal with tenant problems, maintenance requests, or anything else that comes along with owning rental property. 3. Rental property ownership. By setting your own rental rates, you may maximize your rental revenue if you own a rental property. Rental income is a great way to augment your retirement savings and provide a necessary source of income after you've stopped working. Possibilities for capital appreciation of the rental property are an added bonus to this strategy for generating passive income. If you want to know the best tricks to earn money, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Put money in the stock market. Earning money in the stock market requires little to no effort on your part. You may participate in the company's long-term development by purchasing dividend-paying stocks, which allow you to receive a distribution from the company's earnings. If you invest for the long term, you may get a higher rate of return on your money because of appreciation. In addition, dividend distributions tend to rise over time for many firms, so you may steadily raise your annual earnings with no extra work. 5. Vending machines. Putting money into vending machines is a fantastic way to set yourself up with a reliable stream of residual earnings. The convenience of vending machines makes them ideal for those who are short on both time and money. As vending machines may be strategically located in high-traffic areas such as workplaces, shopping centers, and schools, the potential customer base is enormous. 6. Compose a novel. One of the finest methods of earning money without doing anything is writing a novel. An excellent method of broadcasting your artistic prowess to the world at large. Fiction writing is different from other jobs in that you may continue to be paid for your efforts even after you've put in the time required to produce the work. A passive income might be hard to come by when you're just starting out, but self-publishing a book can be a terrific method to do just that. Self-publishing on Amazon or another service is also an option. 7. Airbnb hosting. Airbnb hosting may be a viable option for those seeking a passive source of income. Airbnb hosting provides greater flexibility than conventional renting since you may make money without devoting a lot of effort to manage your home and can decide for yourself how often and when you want to welcome guests. By differentiating your offering and catering to the specific needs of your guests, you may charge higher rates than usual and increase your return on investment even more. 8. Make a dividend stock investment. One potential method to do so is to invest in dividend-paying equities. These stocks provide shareholders with periodic dividend payments out of the company's earnings, which may add up to a sizable sum and serve as a stable source of income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks might provide you with the opportunity for growth over the long run. You may get a greater return on your investment if dividend payments go up in tandem with the company's profitability. 9. Opening a channel on YouTube. There are a lot of positives to starting a YouTube channel. One of the simplest and least costly ways to establish a company is with a YouTube channel. A camera, a great idea, and the ability to edit are all that is required. Second, YouTube has a massive audience of millions of subscribers that might potentially like your content. 10. Creating apps. In the long run, application development may provide passive revenue, making it a viable business proposition. There is a growing possibility for entrepreneurs to cash in on the app economy as the demand for mobile applications continues to soar. Profits may be made via in-app purchases, app subscriptions, and advertising after an app has been built and launched to the public. You may also create a premium app in order to generate revenue. 11. Royalties. Royalties are an ongoing stream of money that may be earned without any effort on your part. Royalties are payments made to the creator when their work is used by someone else. This includes things like books, songs, patents, and software. Royalties are advantageous since they may be a source of passive income with little to no extra effort. 12. Loans made directly between individuals or peers. P2P, peer-to-peer, lending has many benefits and may be a fantastic way to generate passive income. Lending Club is a top P2P lending platform because it allows investors to engage with borrowers directly, increasing the potential for high profits. You may earn higher returns than you would get from more conventional investments by putting your money into loans via Lending Club. With peer-to-peer lending, both the borrowers and the investors are able to communicate directly, cutting out the middleman and increasing the profitability of the transaction. 13. Equipment and tool rentals. A great way to earn money without doing anything is to rent out your tools or equipment. If you have equipment or tools that you seldom use, you may rent them out and pocket the money. You may help defray the cost of buying and maintaining tools and equipment by renting them out to others. Furthermore, folks who have a short-term need for equipment but don't want to commit to buying it outright might save money by renting it instead. Equipment rental has the added benefit of being a low-maintenance and hands-off kind of passive income, as you won't have to do anything beyond setting it up and collecting rent. That's all for today. Now you know all the best 13 passive income streams that will make you a millionaire in 2023. You must start doing these side jobs from today to make money. Investing will help your money work for you, so you may do that also. All the millionaires do several passive incomes that make them get richer. Sir Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, and many other millionaires had suggested many times to do passive incomes. Press the red subscribe button and the like button below to know more amazing methods to earn money. Share this video with all of your friends. Comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions for us. Thank you for watching the video till here.